Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can add watermark in Capcut PC. First open up Capcut and import a green background and your video. Now bring the green background to the timeline. Using the text tool, write some text of your choice. You can stylize the text according to your liking. Once done, export the video as shown. Now you can use this video to add watermark. Import the video. Now, bring the green screen video and the video you want watermark onto the timeline. Make sure the main video is on the bottom layer. Now, select the green screen video and go to the blend option in the side panel and select the mode that seems suitable to you. Once done, go to the remove BG option and check the chroma key option. Now click on the color picker tool as shown and place it on the green color. And just like that, your watermark is created. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.